Rise 53. This is Naveed here, and today it's not going to be a motor vlog. Surely not a motorbike today. So this is about my car, which is Volkswagen Polo. I recently bought it. It's been around a month. So yeah. So today what we're planning is we are planning to install this auto headlamp switch. So currently what we have is we don't have auto option here. So we'll be replacing this with the auto switch, which I purchased recently. I'll add the links to the website from where I purchased. So this is the new auto headlamp switch I purchased. I will, as I said, I'll be adding the links to this in the description section. So what's the difference between these two switches is, we have auto option here. So this is the one which comes with the light sensor, which is the external one. So we have other options as well, where the light sensor will be inside this knob. You can purchase that, but I didn't find the reviews that good compared to this one. So this sensor will go to the dashboard, where it will sense the light, whether it's a day or night, whatever. So this auto option, what it does is, you don't have to turn on the light when it is on auto mode. Whenever it is dark, the lights will automatically turn on and go off once it is dark. So suppose you enter in a underpass or a tunnel or something, the lights will turn on automatically, and once you're out of the tunnel, the lights will go off automatically. So the other feature is, once you lock the car and unlock the car, the headlights will turn on. So this is called as follow me home lights. So this is and one more important thing is, so the one which I've got here is the 14-pin one, which goes with this Polo, and there are other options where it comes with 10 pins with a smaller knob. So be careful while ordering. Check once, open the older one and check how many pins you have, and then order this same. Okay, let's get started with the installation. Okay, so let's remove this older switch. It is fairly simple. So you need to just press this to the O and rotate clockwise. So once it is here, just pull it out. So this is how you remove the older switch, which is fairly easy. Turn it off, and then you need to hold these two latches tight and pull the switch. So this is kind of hard. Yeah. So if you can see here, 14 pins. So in the latest versions we have 10 pins, which is round. I'll add the photos on the video if possible. So it will be round, and it will be around 8 to 10 pins. So yeah, so this is the older one. So it doesn't have a auto switch. Let me put it side by side. This is the older one, this is the newer one. Okay. So installing the new one now. Match the pins and just insert the socket and make sure it locks, and yeah, the sound, click, and it's done. So now what you need to do is, you have this ambient sensor wire, so you need to put it inside the dashboard and take it out here, stick it around here, and to make sure that the wire doesn't dangle around, you just need to open this. Just be careful while opening. And take this wire from inside, take the sensor from inside, and route it. So what we can do, one more thing what you can do is, you can remove this A-pillar and insert it from inside, but I don't want to remove this A-pillar right now, A-pillar trim right now. So you just stick it around. Place this wire inside and move this switch. Yeah. Move the switch inside and it will lock. Yeah. So this is the installation, and the final part is this. If you have a zip tie, tie it and place the wire inside, and yeah, this will be inside, and you're done. Here's the trim back. So this is how it looks, and add to the looks, I've ordered this ring as well. So this goes here. Yeah. So this is red because my interior is like black and red. So this goes with my interior. All right. Let me show how it works. Let me fire up the engine. Okay, let me turn the knob to auto mode. So the lights are on because we are in the basement parking and it is pretty dark here, so the lights are on. Just to show how the auto function works, let me simulate the daylight by using my mobile torch. I'll hit the light with this, I'll hit the light to the sensor, so they should turn off the lights. Yeah, so this turned off the light. So this is pretty fast when you're outside. So this is just for illustration purpose. So if I remove the mobile, so the lights are on. So this is how it works. So along with this, we have one more functionality. What it does is, once you get out of the car and lock the car, the lights will turn on. The lights will stay on for 10 seconds. You can increase the time from 10, 20 till 60 seconds. The max is 60 seconds. So let me show you that functionality as well. So if I lock my car, the lights will automatically turn on for 10 seconds. This is called follow me home light. So this will stay on for 10 seconds. As I said, you can set the timer. I'll show you how to set the timer as well. There is a document and there's a video as well which shows how it's done. So the lights should go off now. Yeah. And if I unlock it again, the lights will turn on. I think the setting, as I change the switch now, the default setting has gone to 20 seconds. I usually keep it to 10 seconds because it takes a toll on battery as well. So 10 seconds is ideal. Okay, you can set the duration. The light will stay on when you lock and unlock your car. As I said, the ideal timing is 10 seconds. The way you program it is simple. Just turn the knob from auto to 0, auto, 0 and auto. So this will start the timer. When the light is flashing on, it starts the timer. Make sure you move this knob to 0 again after 10 seconds. Yeah, now it is 10 seconds. You can keep this setting for 10, 20, 30. The max is 60 seconds, as I mentioned earlier. So yeah, so this concludes the installation of auto headlamp switch. If you have any questions regarding the installation, you can comment me or you can connect with me. I can help you with that. And at last, I'll add all the links to the product in the description section. So if you guys like the video, if you like